Thought I'd show getting rid of this little hook, as I just got rid of a much larger one. I'll show you that real quick. Here was the larger one I took out.
To take out the larger one, you just pull down a little bit and it untwists it out counterclockwise. It's got long threads, so it might take a while to twist it out. Just don't pull too hard so you don't make a bigger hole in the drywall, but it's pretty easy, just takes a little time.
And I just used caulking to fill it in. You know, it's not perfect, but it's going to be well enough to blend in with the popcorn and hide. I might clean up that right side of it just a tiny bit. Okay, but here goes the same deal on the little hook, which will definitely be a little bit easier. This is a flat paint on the ceiling, flat white, and this just caulking, all-purpose, DAP, Alex Blast 40-year. Just don't want to use a silicone version. This one's paintable, and you can see I'm just leaving a little, just mimicking the popcorn really. There we go. That's all it's going to take. That I don't even think I'll need to paint. Back to this one that was a little bit bigger.
It was about the size of a dime or a penny.
Just gonna do a little on the side here. There we go. You can see the white is very, very similar to the ceiling. That'll work. And you could always, after it dries, touch it up with the flat, but it should hide well enough. It's a done deal. But you can touch it up with the flat to make it last, you know, forever. And it's a done deal after it dries. But good to go. That's taken out a couple hooks. This one had a little wing nut behind it. Just left that up in the ceiling. Sometimes it'll drop down inside the wall. Nobody cares there. It's a done deal. I lost the lid to my caulking, but I think this little hook should work good. And I can just pull it right back out. And if it's a little bigger, I'll squeeze a little bit so the caulking will seal the end. And then when we're ready to reuse it, we'll just pull that out, and that'll pull the whatever little bit of caulking dries around the end. So if it dries, then you can hang it on something. Yep.